We all have been using standard backpacking stoves for years, and they've served well, fast, reliable, and dependable. No doubt, they are excellent stoves. However, have you ever wondered about the alternatives? Well, we did. And before you quickly dismiss the idea, let's pause for a moment. Think about the potential benefits and unique features of other types of stoves. Perhaps exploring these alternatives could lead you to discover a new level of cooking experience or even more convenience during your outdoor adventures. In this video, we'll show you 5 of the most popular backpacking stoves and our experience with them so that you can choose the right one for you. We believe that the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe is the best lightweight backpacking stove for most people. It effortlessly meets all the criteria we established, showcasing remarkable performance in both boil time and simmer mode, making it exceptionally user-friendly and durable. We think this stove is truly impressive, from its reliable igniter to its pressure regulator. With the pressure regulator's capability to maintain a consistent flame even in cold weather or when the fuel canister is running low, the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe proves to be a reliable companion for any outdoor adventure. According to us, the Deluxe version is super user-friendly thanks to its innovative pot stand arms. These arms have a dual-purpose design that lets you move them in 2 directions. Up to securely hold a pot while you're cooking, and down to easily stow them away when you're not. If we compare them to the others, these arms don't fold in on themselves like finger phalanges, so they're more durable and you don't have to worry about them breaking. Now, as one of the most popular choices, most of you probably already know about these features. But what about the others? Let's check them out.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
So, next up, we have this Vertex Ultralight backpacking stove. For serious backpackers who spend their days hiking and nights camping in the wilderness. A perfect balance, like the PocketRocket is, surely essential. However, finding a balance between traveling light and enjoying proper convenience is hardly found. We must say that the Vertex Ultralight is pretty bare bones, but it does eliminate the need to carry fuel canisters, which is a major weight savings. Weighing just 1.8 ounces and measuring less than 5 by 3 inches when assembled, this stove seemed like a practical choice for us. Its clever folding design allows it to pack flat, occupying as much space as just a typical trail map. And as we've said before, this one doesn't require you to bring any fuel canisters. Instead, this one uses twigs and other biofuels. According to us, what everyone will love about this stove is its simplicity. It eliminates any parts that could possibly fail in the field, which we believe makes it extremely reliable. With no moving parts and a quick assembly process, you can have it up and running in seconds. But in case anyone is willing to carry a bit more for a trade of faster cooking, we think very few others can match the Jetboil Flash cooking system. Unlike the previous two stoves we showed, this one has a blistering 100-second boil time for coffee, soup, and dehydrated meals that amazed us every time. We do believe that efficiency is crucial when we're out in nature, and found the Flash delivers that with its lightning-quick performance. The fastest jet boil we've experienced. The 1-liter flux ring cooking cup with insulating koozie keeps our beverages and meals warm, while the push-button igniter and color change heat indicator make it incredibly user-friendly. We could customize it with various Jetboil accessories like a coffee press, hanging kit, pot support, skillet, flux ring cooking pot, and utensils to fit our unique needs. Also, the practicality of the fuel canister stabilizer and dual-purpose bottom cup makes it even more appealing. With all these, it remains compact and lightweight at just 13.1 ounces, making packing and carrying a breeze. And if you ask for our opinion, we think the only thing it lacks is the compatibility with universal cooking pots and other accessories. We also tried this alcohol stove from TIANDLIFE, and it was just like any other spirit burners you'll find in the market. But the reason we went for this one is, for a price range of $30, we think it's a good option. Made from titanium, we found it to be very lightweight, durable, and rust-resistant, with eco-friendly and acid-resistant properties. The foldable stand was good enough, can hold different cookwares, which we think makes it a convenient one. Weighing just 1.5 ounces and measuring 2.23 inches, it easily held about 80 to 90 milliliters fuel. Although we didn't use that much at once, we got a burn time that lasted about 10 minutes. The clever combustion hole design improves efficiency. Boiling 1 liter of water took only a couple of minutes. The only drawback of this one we found is you have to assume how much fuel you actually need, because if you pour some extra, that's going to be a waste. But other than that, its versatility suits cookware with a bottom diameter of over 2.2 inches, offering stability with the triangle design, and of course, serrated edges secure our food. Finally, another popular choice we have here, which is the Solo Stove Light. It's another convenient and possibly the most reliable rocket stove that's capable of lighting twigs and kindling into a roaring flame in no time. We found it to have outstanding airflow and efficiently burn to boil water in under 10 minutes. We noticed that its unique double-walled design and superior airflow was consuming smoke for a clean experience. The material we see here is 304 stainless steel, and it guarantees years of trusty performance. Weighing just 9 ounces, we found it to be perfect for most hikers and backpackers alike. The cooking ring and fire starters nest inside, creating a convenient grab-and-go hearth. Okay, so what do you think about them? Which one did you like the most? Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, mailoutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.